Okay, Audi 4000S Quattro, 1984. After pulling the downpipe, putting in all new hardware, getting that all reassembled, and then throwing the cooling system back together last night, it is time to drive it. Very, very excited. Get the fuel pump relay going because, sorry, I've got a jumper because I don't have a relay right now. Clutch in. It's not happy. There we go. There we go. Now we got fuel in the lines. Okay, after adjusting the timing a little bit, it's running a little better. Sounds a little better. It's just a little bit behind. I was conservative. It sounds good though. Holding temperature nicely. Revs nicely. Sits down to idle. I haven't put the front end on yet. I believe it's the water pump. Actually, I'm pretty sure. I did a little screwdriver test. Water pump's making the noise. Oil pressure is good, but it is still holding water, not leaking yet. I'm going to do a small drive because I've never driven this car before. But it's probably next on the list is a little water pump tensioner. Tell me about while I'm in there.